Good day everyone. I am James Rede Canchado Arblo from BSN Math 1A. And for today's video, I am going to discuss two segments. First is the Pythagorean theorem and the second one is the SOHCAHTOA. So, what is the Pythagorean theorem? So, the Pythagorean theorem is a cornerstone of math that helps us find the missing side length of a triangle. So, meaning, ang Pythagorean theorem dere kay usa siya sa pinaka-importante sa math. Kay siya ang nagpangita sa mga missing side lengths of a right triangle. So, kay right triangle naman, ang Pythagorean theorem dili na siya applicable if dili right angled ang iyang triangle. So, for example, this is the right triangle. And every side of its triangle kay na siya label. This is the A, B, and C. So, A and B are the legs, labeled as legs. And also, it can be interchangeable or pwede na din na sila magkabali-bali. It's either ang B here, madiri, or ang A kay maari. Then, ang C, maani siya ang what we call the hypotenuse. So, hypotenuse is the longest side of a right angled triangle. And also, kaatbang niya ang kani, ang angle. Kaatbang niya. So, dali ra jud kaayo makit-an si hypotenuse. And to find the missing side lengths of a triangle, we can use this formula. The a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And also, we can use this one. If the hypotenuse is missing, c squared square root of a squared plus b squared. So, that's it. So, I provided you an example. So, number 1, if the leg A is 3 centimeter and B is 4 centimeter and C is unknown, so the C is missing. And also again, what is the C? It is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. So meaning, mao ni siya ang missing. So we can use the Pythagorean theorem formula, which is the a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay ra sa duha katong usa nga formula katong ganina akong gisuwat katong c squared equals square root of a squared plus b squared, pero murag kanila atong kuanon kay mao man siya ang general. So let's distribute the kanang iyang mga terms. So a squared is 3. Let's not forget this. Then plus b is 4 and the c is unknown. So okay, kuan naman siya na distribute, so pwede na ta maka-proceed. So 3 to the power of 2 is 9 plus 4 to the power of 2, 16 equals c squared. So 9 plus 16 equals 25 equals c squared. So dili man na pwede ni naa siya exponent ang c. So how to remove that one is by ato siya is square root. So ang c ato is square root. So kung unsa may buhaton diri sa left or right side kay mao say buhaton sa iyang kaatbang. So ang 25 ato sa a square root. So ang c mahabilin, ang squared or ang the exponent kay mawagtang na siya, then square root sa 25 is 5. So the answer is 5. So the hypotenuse here is 5 centimeter. So in this part, we are going to tackle about the SOHCAHTOA or trigonometric ratios. So trigonometric ratios are the relationships of the side or lengths of a right angle triangle, and also it is relative to acute angle. And now siya 6 ka trigonometric ratios, which is the sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. And this is the mnemonic terms that is better to remember for you para dali mo ma-remember ang maunggin ano siya SOHCAHTOA, SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA is the reciprocal of SOHCAHTOA. And I have a diagram for you. This is the what we call trigonometric hexagon. So the sine, cosine, tangent. And kakbang sine is ang cosecant, which is the CHO or the discuss. Then the cosine, iyang kakbang is secant. And in the tangent, iyang kakbang is ang cotangent. So, saan man natin siya pag-identify ang opposite side o ang hypotenuse side. So, ato na siyang ikuan sa triangle or the right angle triangle. So, how to identify the opposite side, hypotenuse, and the adjacent side. So, we all know that the hypotenuse is the longest side, inakaatman sa niya ang kaning angle or kaning. So, this is the hypotenuse. And then to find the adjacent side, if side na siya timan-an, if ang reference na diri, so ang opposite naman na diri, opposite side. If ang reference pwede ra sa siya magkabali, if ang reference na diri, pwede ra sa diri ang opposite. So if ang unsa tay mahabilin na lang nga side, ang wala pa ming mao na to siya ay adjacent. Adjacent side. So in that way, ma-identify na nimo kung unsay term diri sa opposite, sa adjacent o hypotenuse, imo rin siyang isuwat. So, for example, ang opposite diri 1. So, imo ibutang diri 1. Ang hypotenuse diri kay 3. So, 3 sa imo ibutang. So, let's have an example. This one. So, let's identify the side first. So, we all know that this part is the longest side. So, we can easily identify this as hypotenuse. And this, so since the reference is here, so the opposite side is here. And then, so naman siya unknown, so ato sa siyang i-solve or i-solve. So kani siya mao nang nahabilin, so adjacent ni siya diri pero unknown ni siya. Adjacent side. Let's go. So we use the Pythagorean theorem formula rather. Is the b squared plus ib squared equals c squared. So to find the, let's just say it's a and b and c. So to find the b, let's just transpose this. I know. Para mahabilin ang b, ato i-transpose si a. So, makiinig lang na squared equals c squared minus a squared. Nanong na minus naman siya since nilabang naman siya sa equal sign. Okay, yeah. Nilabang naman siya, so ma-minus na siya. Positive man siya diri sa right side. negative na siya iglabang. So, we can easily solve this one. So, ato na siya execute. So, b squared is equals to 15 squared minus 9 squared. So, 15 times 15 5, 5, 7, 5, 1, 5, 85, minus 9 times 9, 81, b squared equals 225 minus 81, 4, 12, 40, 4144. So, since na pa man siya squared ang, or na pa man siya exponent ang b, so ato na siyang i-cancel. So, how to cancel it? By putting a radical sign here. So, cancel ang exponent, mabilin ang b. Then, what is the square root of 144? It's 12. So, the adjacent here is 12, or the b centimeter. So, by finding the SOHCAHTOA, it's just easy. Okay, ato naman siyang i-identify ang hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent. So, the sign equals to opposite of hypotenuse. Ang opposite is 9, then the hypotenuse is 15. Then pwede pa nato siyang reduce into lowest term. So, pwede siyang 3. Ay, magkuhan. 3 divided by 9. 3 divided by 9. 3 divided by 9. 3 divided by 9.
2. Ay,
3 divided by 9.
3.
3. 3 divided by 15.
5.
5. So, 3/5 ang iyahang ratio sa side. That is the cosine theta, which is the adjacent over hypotenuse. What is the term of adjacent here?
Centimeter. 12.
12. So, we put 12 here. And what is the hypotenuse?
15.
15. So, pwede gihapon na siya daw ma-reduce into this term. Isa man siya. Pwede gihapon siyang 3. So, 3 divided by 12. 3 divided by 12. Ha?
4.
Yes, 4. 3 divided by 15.
5.
Oh, 5. Yes, 5. So, the cos theta is equal to 4/5. And the TOA, or the tangent, tan theta is equal to opposite and the adjacent. So, the term of opposite is the 9 centimeter and the adjacent is 12. So, pwede gihapon natin siyang makuha into lowest term. So, pinaagi sa 3 gihapon. So, 3 divided by 9.
3.
3 divided by 12.
4.
4. So, 3/4 ang tangent theta. So, let's proceed